Greetings, my dear friends. As always, NTrade back with another video, and today I have another trading session for you. We are going to start with a smaller amount, and I'm going to show you how utilizing the most basic technical analysis and the most basic trading tools you can get yourself some nice money. Of course, as I mentioned, you need some basic technical analysis knowledge, which you, by the way, can get in my free signals group. It is available for everybody completely for free. You can join by clicking the link in the description below and becoming a member today. You will be able to get access to all of the tutorials that we have available in our free signals group, and of course you will get access to the trade breakdowns and much more, all free of charge. So click that link in the description below, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and now let's jump into trading and see if we can get some money today. Let's go. Okay, so as I said, we're going to start our trading session with $35. We're going to trade on 3-minute expiration time, and our chart time frame is going to be set to 30 seconds. Very standard settings for me. I do change them from time to time with depending on the strategy I'm trading with, but for the most part I use these settings. Let's select some trading assets. We have quite a few at 92% today, which is very good. And we're going to start with Swiss franc, Japanese yen, and last thing that we need is an indicator. For today it's going to be alligator, a great indicator which will help you place your trade and see the direction of the trend. And immediately I see a possibility here. Now, a lot of the people would probably place a sell position here because of the alligator indicator. However, I am leaning towards a buy position, and I will explain why. I do not think that we have reached the historical maximum of the price. I believe we will be able to go a little bit further, even though I see that the price is starting to consolidate. So we're probably not going to see a lot of movement. The price, we're gonna keep retesting the resistance level that is obviously here because of consolidation that starts. But in general, I think it's going to mirror the situation that happened before. We're gonna have a short-term consolidation which going to go back into an uptrend. So let's observe that. We have 2 minutes to go. Let's see if we get our first win of the day. Let's go. An actually perfect prediction by me. There's barely any movement here, but just enough to get us an edge here and give us the money that we deserve. $32 comes in straight into our pocket, and now we're at $67 with just one trade in. Now this wasn't an easy trade, and hopefully the next trade is going to be much smoother, and it's going to be on Canadian Swiss franc. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into it. I believe we will be able to get some nice money. I clicked through some assets to look at what's going on the chart, and it seems like today we have a more or less stable chart. So let's jump into it and see if we can squeeze in some money here on Canadian Swiss franc. And once again, when you are looking at the chart, make sure to zoom out a little bit. Don't be zoomed in to see just one part of the market. Make sure to zoom out. Here I'm taking a buy position. The price has reached historical minimum. We are going to see a reversal happening right now. It is actually already going on. So let's change our trading amount to $67 and place a buy position. Maybe the candle will go a little bit lower before I place this trade. Let's observe. Yeah, there you have it, and there we are. The price has reached historical minimum. As I mentioned, we are going to go back into a reversal here and the continuation of an uptrend. So as simple as that, I'm seeing the birth of see, alligator indicator is starting to move in the upwards direction, and we get a nice win, $128 already in our pocket with just 2 trades in. And if you want to learn more trading styles like this, more trading strategies like this, make sure to check out my free signals group and of course my private trading group. In my private trading group, you're gonna get way more trading sessions, you're going to get way more signals, way more tutorials. Everything is multiplied 3 times. So if you want to trade with the best tools, which includes, by the way, 4 robots that we have at our disposal, then make sure to check out my private trading group by sending me a message on Telegram at NTrade_pro. Now, this is a wonderful situation that I see on Australian dollar, United States dollar. So let's not waste any time. $128. This is an obvious buy position from me. You can see that the market has been tested with a strong move into the market structure with us, which is our support level where the price is currently. And from this point on, I'm expecting a reversal of the same strength. This is going to grant us another $117. I'm not worried that the price And here we are, another great prediction, except, whoa, that red candle needs to stop. But there it is, we got it. Unfortunately, we see the red candle appearing there. Obviously, there was no way for me to predict this. I still believe that the price will continue growing. And let's move on to our last trade. And by the way, all 3 trades here had a buy position here, which means the market is in a reversal phase going into the uptrend from the downtrend, as you can see here. And last trade, 246, the same exact situation we had on our last trade, so nothing is going to be different here. We are once again entering a buy position, a higher position, and let's place a trade here with $246, and just a perfect opportunity to capture this trade as the price drops down. And you want to try and capture this drop whenever it happens, especially if you're placing a trade in the opposite direction of where the current trend is going. But I'm already seeing the rejection on the candles. I believe that the price has reached its historical minimum, and from this point on, we're gonna start seeing a birth of a new uptrend, a new reversal, and we are arriving early here to capture it. So let's observe. If this was a 1-minute trade, by the way, I would have placed a sell position instead of a buy position. But let's observe if I'm correct on 3-minute, and this is an obvious buy position for me. So let's go. And here we are approaching another trade here, and once again we get a nice win, $472 in a matter of 12 minutes. 4 trades back to back, all buy positions, and just like that we're coming out on top once again. And guys, this is pretty simple here. This trading session wasn't really hard. The only trade we had some difficulties on was the first trade where we barely saw any movement, but I also predicted it. So if you want to trade with somebody who understands the market and maybe can help you gather the information that you need and utilize it in the market to make profit, then you should be joining my private trading group. I already mentioned it earlier, but you're gonna have access to all of the information that you need as a trader to start making money in the market, and all of that information is available to you completely for free 24/7. So send me a message on Telegram at NTrade_pro, or simply click the link in the description below. We have daily trading sessions, daily tutorials, daily news breakdowns, trading following the news, and of course we have 4 trading robots available for you at all times: Binarix Assistant Plus robot, OTC AI Navigator Pro. Sometimes it's hard to remember all the names, but we got them. And OTC Pro Trading Robot, and of course Pro Trading Robot. We have robots for real market, we have robots for OTC market, so whatever you want to trade, whatever your style of trading, we have a tool for you to use. So check it out, link is in the description below. As always, I appreciate you watching the video. I appreciate you leaving the likes, leaving the comments, and of course make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.